Hello everyone, it's Bob Martin from Services Etc. Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning, proudly serving Mountaintop, Hazelton, the Pocono Mountains, and surrounding communities since 1990. Today I'm going to help you answer that tough question. Is it worth having my carpets cleaned or should I just replace them? So go ahead and show me your dirtiest rugs. If it makes you feel a little better, the before and after photos featured in this video were from actual jobs that occurred within a 1 week span. The first item to consider when assessing whether or not you should even waste your time or money to try cleaning a heavily soiled carpet are your expectations. What do you feel is an acceptable level of clean? Maybe you just need to make a downstairs playroom last another year, and so a sanitary carpet with a few small stains remaining is okay. Or perhaps you have a luxurious living room where you frequently entertain guests, and so traffic patterns are okay, but you don't want any spots or stains showing. As an IICRC certified journeyman textile cleaner with over 30 years of experience, your expectations would be the first thing I would need to establish before I could begin answering the question. After that, we should be considering whether or not our expectations are reasonable for the conditions that are present. As evidenced by the photos and footage being presented in this video, it is possible to get out some nasty looking spots and stains while greatly improving the appearance of the carpets. Although we make it look easy, there are no 100% guarantees. Also, not all appearance issues are soil related, and they could be the result of normal wear, sun fading, or other permanent damage. This is where it helps to understand our expectations so that we can start to weigh the type of soil and physical condition of the rug against the likelihood of meeting our goals. As for overall and general appearance, it's important to inspect traffic lanes to determine if what looks like soil might not be soil. It's easy to mistake darker areas of carpet for soil when they actually have normal wear and traffic patterns. Physical changes in the carpet due to normal use or some type of damage and wear do not clean out, as they are not soil. Perhaps this might be a deal breaker, and so you don't need to look any further to answer the question. If traffic patterns are acceptable to you, start taking account of any black spots and if they are caused by grease, tar, or oil. Oil-based soils are normally removed with little or no problems. However, the labor time and material costs involved depend on how large or how sticky or how gummy the spot might be. Each spot is unique with its own set of characteristics. Notice if there are colored stains and what color they are. Red food dyes are the worst as they are very stubborn to remove, and so knowing that might help you answer your question. Once you take stock of the carpet spots, stains, and physical appearance issues and compare their likelihood of being cleaned or corrected against your expectations, then you can answer the question, is it worth having my carpets cleaned or should I just replace them? I'll tell you something that's a lot easier. If you are in or around Northeast Pennsylvania, calling me is a lot easier. I would be more than happy to have myself or a knowledgeable member of our staff come out and give you a fair and free evaluation of your carpets. You can visit our website at www.nepacarpetcleaning.com or call our offices at 570-459-0429. We've been doing this for a long time and we have a trained eye. Again, I'm Bob Martin from Services Etc. Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning. I want to thank you for watching our video and, check back now and then. We do put some videos up every couple of weeks. Thank you.